I spelled my name wrong. I'm kidding.
Is there a second?
Oh man.
You know, I missed work.
It says sometimes you must see things through my eyes. Spectacles can make things clear.
So you saw it, right?
So did he buy himself a new car? Because that'd be pretty neat.
What? Tax.
Here's the key.
So
Also, we got a test. Next task, go to Big Daddy's and buy a bottle that represents Drew. Okay.
That's gonna be hard.
Are you guys giving any clues by a bachelor that's getting married? No.
Oh, bro, no.
Okay, that says it already. Your face of being clueless.
Yeah.
Damn, you're gonna be like, you got some cheap ass friends.
You gotta edit that piece and not show him the big one. Go for it. Keyword food. If you can read this, you have really good vision or have glasses on. So food, that would be Flanagan's. It'd be obvious to not go to Flanagan's.
Flanny's is the place to go to run into people you know.
Aha!
I found her. She's right there. That's the person we know. Right there. I found her. Hashtag El Diablo. Hashtag.
Right?
Hangover.
I got no food in my stomach. Now you're no drinking and driving.
This might be for you guys.
Keyword helpful. 9 times out of the 10 times that I want to go to Chick-fil-A's on a Sunday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because you know that they're closed.
I'm sorry, my printer was on the fritz. This time I made a clue at 72. Ace is the place with the helpful hardware folks. They can help you, just a walk away.
Taking the time out.
Let's stop.
Salvatore's Pizza. Best pizza in Hialeah. Guaranteed.
See what happens when we drink with nothing on our stomachs? I'm murdered.
We just got it.
We got another letter?
No.
You guys are looking for a mission? There you go. He told me that he put it back there in the corner.
He said it's in one of those screws where the bolts are.
Right, it's probably around there somewhere.
Over there.
Might be, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I think you'd want to go all the way in the back.
Check
the
it
back
out,
corner.
check it out.
Knowing him?
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's here, bro. I don't see anything.
If y'all give me $5, I'll show you what it's at.
Yo! Is what it is? He was making us look for this shit?
Yo, I found it.
He told me.
Mix and match is the way to go. Who has what? Nobody knows. Test the lock and try your luck. Pass the book and you'll get unstuck. Keyword ice. Yeah, we gotta get the lockers, bro.
Keyword ice. Oh, wait a minute. The hockey rink. Huh? This is a hockey rink. Gotta be that, bro. Can't be anything else. It's keyword ice.
There's no lockers here?
Broward Pines. Let's go.
Avoid where they no help, all that hassle. Someone should write a review on them and give them 1 star on Google. Okay, ice baby. The place you can go to skate, but be careful with the thin pine ice. Okay, so Pine's Ice Arena.
Oh, we love you, Andrew. Say hi to your mom and dad, too. You put on the...
Hell yeah, bro! I've been losing my shit all the time, bro.
No, everybody got a different one.
Oh, it's mix and match. Thanks, buddy.
Gotta go to Drew's house.
Eat, drink, suit up. Now, one day I'm really gonna want to know the definition of a word. Be like, oh shit, let me get the dictionary real quick. Oh.
glad to be a part of the family. It's been a great 4 years, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Your sister means a lot to me, and I'll be honored to take care of her for the rest of her life. I will cater to all her needs, no matter how crazy they may be. I just want you to know that she's in good hands. So, here's my extension to you. I want you to be a part of our court and be one of my groomsmen. Please step outside.
After 10,000 years I'm free! It's time to conquer Earth!
Alpha, Venus escape! Recruiting of teenagers with attitudes!
Like a Power Ranger that pops out. Second verse.
It's morphin' time, Nick! I am so happy that you made the trip down from Orlando, and I'm ecstatic that you went through the troubles of the scavenger hunt and you made it this far. Now, I just want to let you know, you've been like a brother to me. Even though we've been distant as far as geographically, you've always been there for me whenever I need you. I remember when we were growing up that we would wake up early and look at the Saturday morning cartoons. Well, I would wake up early while you slept, and I would watch the Saturday morning cartoons alone. So I guess those would be my memories only, but it's okay. Remember the time that we used to play the laser tag and I was the Red Ranger, you were the Green Ranger? Yeah, I'll remember those times. Those were the great ones. I'm so glad that you're here, man. I want you to be a part of my court. I want you to be one of my groomsmen. I need you as my backup out there. Please step outside.
Oh, it's a good song. Me and Drew sing this in karaoke all the time. He always misses that note. That one too.
Hey Jarrell, glad that you made the trip and went through all the trouble. It's not the first time you've gone through some trouble for me. You've seen me at the darkest of my hours, and you've seen me at my victories. I'm proud to call you my brother, and I'm glad that you're here. I want you to know that I want you to be my best man. I want you to be by my side, as you have been for the last 7 years. Please step outside.
What? That's good.
Testing. 1, 2, testing. Can you hear me? Hello? David, we've known each other for 12 years now. And at this point, we're married-in-laws, cousin-in-laws, brothers-in-laws? I don't know, something-in-laws, because you guys are Erica's. I mentioned in the speech that Erica's like my sister, half-sister or something because of DNA with my father and her father. So at this point, we're like, we're family, and I can't get rid of you. So I'd be honored to have you a part of my court, man. I hope you would enjoy to be a part of one of my groomsmen. Please step outside. Georgie, you ready? Just hang up at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
So we're gonna go play a game. What game we're gonna go play?
Georgie, you've been like a brother. You have teased me, taunted me, and I've always hit you with a nut check. I'm glad that you're here and that you've gone through all the trouble. To go through each checkpoint and to end up at my house, I would like for you to be a part of my groomsmen, to be a part of my court. Please step outside.
So where's the party? Here you go, bro. You think I was gonna let you go that fast? Yeah. There's a little one.
That works.
See?
Coconut for sure. So a job well done. I'm proud of you guys.
Cheers.
Congratulations.
Congrats to you, man.
Cheers. God bless you and your future wife.
Yeah.